you want to know why your Jeep frame looks like Swiss cheese, this would be the truck that caused it. So this is how crazy it is. They've already closed the schools and there's no ice or snow on the roads or anything like that. They're spreading salt like it's going out of style, and that's pretty much how they deal with it around here. Close everything down. All right, so I had to stop at my friend Bobby's Automotive, Franklin, Tennessee. I think I got to make a key, but I just never know what I'm going to find when I show up here. Oh, this Jeep, it looks sad. It's been sitting here a little bit. This one's similar to mine. It's an 09. It's got a Darth Vader on the dashboard. Liam, what are you doing? I've heard this one's sick though. I think it's got an issue. Besides being a drink holder. It's got the 3.8 motor, which some people have made fun of on the channel, which hurts my feelings. Let's find out what's wrong with it. Billy! Billy, don't do that. Don't use that middle finger as a tool. Oh, nice. There's Bobby. Bobby's Automotive, Franklin, Tennessee. What are you doing, Bobby?
I don't know.
Trying to stay warm?
Trying to stay warm.
Huh?
It's cold.
Did you take too much insulin today? You look a little sluggish.
No.
Okay. Hey, tell us what's wrong with that blue Jeep out there.
Blue Jeep.
The blue Jeep. The Wrangler.
Shit, needs the engine.
What happened?
I don't know.
Well, I mean, what would you think happened? Because you're one of the best
Sounds like a
technicians I've
rod.
ever met. A rod? How many miles are on it, you think?
I don't know. I think it's got like 100 and something.
100 and something. Wow.
Waiting on money.
Yeah, all it takes is cash.
That cash
Well, you
money.
think maybe they forgot to put oil in it?
That's possible.
Huh? Because, of course, a Jeep would never blow up.
No.
Okay, we're going to take a look
They
at...
run without oil.
That's right. Just don't worry about checking it.
Just drive it.
And we're going to look at his key situation. I think the Alfa Romeo has become a parts counter or something. Huh? What's wrong with this thing?
Needs a computer.
Oh, the computer's out. So basically, pull apart needs to come down here. No, you know what the word of the day is, Billy? I'm trying to keep him from cussing. Rogaine. Once you start using it, you have to keep using it. You can't just quit. Otherwise, all your hair will keep falling out. You got to keep using it. You can use the generic though.
I just shaved my head.
Hey, okay, well, skinhead. He's not even looking. I mean, oh my God, Liam.
Huh?
Why aren't you in school today?
Snow day.
What? Is it snowing? Do you see any snow?
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah.
Where? Where's the snow? Show me. There's no snow. Hey, where were you? There's no snow out there. Where were you?
At
I needed your help.
I was at
And
school.
you weren't at school last night.
Well,
Huh?
I was in school work last night.
No, whatever. I don't care about your school work. We got to get this crap cleaned up back here. In that light, I bought a grinder. We're going to take a look at it real quick. It's raining, so we can't do much with it. But we're going to see if it works. What do you think?
Sounds like a plane.
Yeah? You think you have high hopes for this?
No.
Okay. Where's it made?
China.
Yeah, exactly. Here's this grinder thing. I'm going to take it out of the box and maybe try it a little bit with wet wood. I don't know. It's usually not a good sign when you're finding nuts and bolts on the bottom of the box. Okay, so that's the wheels and stuff. That's what the nuts and bolts are, is for an axle or something. But that doesn't keep us from testing it.
You mean wet
Can we
stuff?
try it?
You can, yeah.
Okay. All right, I had to get a different extension cord. Holy moly. Here we go. That sounds like quality. Actually, it really wasn't that bad. I was kind of surprised. Now, you got to be careful if stuff flies out of here. That's probably in the instructions going, caution, debris can fly out of the top of it. Wear safety glasses. But it does pulverize it pretty fine, so I think this is a win. We'll have to just cut up some of this stuff over here and grind up the stuff we can, and the rest of it burn. So I think this is going to work out well. This is the wood chippings. Once this dries out a little bit, it'll actually burn pretty good, or you can throw it around the yard where it's mud, I guess. Alright, so that's going to be about it for today with my helper Liam. I was super impressed with the Milwaukee chainsaw. 12.0 battery, cut down this whole tree, what was left of it, on one charge, which I didn't think would happen, but that was awesome. We got to grind and clean up, and then the next step, phase 2, is start cleaning up all this garbage on the side of the house from really the remodel. A lot of stuff just got trashed over there. And get ready for an inflatable spray booth. I'm so excited! Alright, Liam and Dave coming at you from the Redneck Garage. Keith! He's got wood in his eye. Turning wrenches!